Getting to first base, unraveling the mystery in English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Understanding idioms can be quite challenging, especially for learners of English. But don't worry, we're here to unravel these expressions for you. In this video, we're focusing on the phrase, get to first base. So, let's hit a home run in learning English together. The phrase, get to first base, originates from the sport of baseball, where a player must safely reach first base after hitting the ball before they can score a run. In everyday English, this phrase has been borrowed and is used metaphorically. It means to achieve the first step in a process or to make a good start in any activity or endeavor. It's often used in the context of business, personal relationships, or any situation where progress is desired. Let's break down how to use get to first base in different contexts. 1. Business and work. In a professional setting, saying someone hasn't gotten to first base could mean they haven't made significant progress in a project or negotiation. Example, we've been discussing this deal for weeks, but I feel like we still haven't gotten to first base with the client. 2. Personal relationships. In dating, getting to first base might refer to making a good initial impression or establishing a basic level of rapport with someone. Example, I think the date went well. We really connected and definitely got to first base in getting to know each other. 3. General use. In a broader sense, the phrase can apply to any situation where an initial success is important. Example, if you want your new lifestyle to work, you need to get to first base by setting realistic goals. While using this phrase, it's important not to confuse it with achieving final success. Getting to first base is just the beginning, and there's more work to be done to achieve the ultimate goal. Also, remember that this phrase is metaphorical and might not be understood in cultures where baseball is not a popular sport. Well, that's a wrap on get to first base. Remember, idioms add color and depth to our language, and understanding them is a key step in mastering English. We hope this video helps you slide smoothly into using this phrase confidently in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll surely get to first base in your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.